The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact your financial advisor for any financial questions you may have concerning your investments. Well, last week, February, second day of March, let's talk about the week that was in crypto, some of the tokens that I'm holding. What is going on with Dogecoin? Fear and greed index continues to teeter at that extreme fear level, just above that extreme fear level. Now, does that have anything to do with Dogecoin? Not particularly, as there are greater fears entering into any investment right now just due to the instability being injected into the markets. However, Doge has been doing particularly bad, and I'm not sure if it's because it's a meme coin with really no fundamentals, but it's always been a stable one for me to make some cash off of. It has dropped 30% in value in the last 28 days or so. 30% lost down this month alone. It continued the downward trend at about 3% this week, but again, usually with this coin, it tends to bounce back for unknown reasons, just as unknown as this reason for this token to be, in existence in the first place. So we're going to continue to invest in it, watch it, see what happens, because it's always been one of those ones that just flies in the face of logic. And if you have any experience in investing, or if you don't, this one has always been a dark horse. But again, it was one of my most profitable coins when I first got into crypto exchanges. Also, what's going on this week? We are entering into our second payment on the Bitcoin miner that I'm using. Now, again, these are toys when it comes to mining. I'm only focusing on those home appliances that you can buy to run off of your regular electricity. So you're not going out there buying an extremely expensive actual 60 to 100 petahash ASIC miner. Um, with this miner that I'm practically doing all of my Bitcoin mining on, and it's just the Avalon Nano 3, miner. It's about 4 terahashes, 3 or 4, give or take, and it's made a couple of payments. So I've earned $1 each payment, just about. Now, because the cost of this device is so low, and the earnings are even at $1 off of your regular electricity, not burning anything more than what you would normally use for like a clock that's plugged in, something like that. Well, hey, after 100 payments, it paid for itself. And that's not including if Bitcoin actually goes up, so you just keep these things online and it'll pay for itself in less than a year. So you got a return on investment of less than a year with this device, which is pretty damn good, considering that it would take forever without getting a block reward to pay off one of those big miners. So is it going to make me rich anytime soon? Absolutely not. But it supports the network, and it is a great learning tool to see how these things work and how profitable they can be. Now, at one time, something like that would have made me a considerable amount of monthly passive income. Um, when I started, I was using GPU miners and that I built, and I honestly made about $50 to $60 a week on one and $100 on another, and an extra $300 or $400 a month goes a long way when you're just starting out. So you let me know what you think about it. I'm going to continue to rock with it, continue to report on it, and let you know my progress with it. We're also going to be testing a brains a Sharp 256 miner. Got that one ordered. We're in batch 3, and we'll let you know what that's going to do. I'm looking for small miners. Again, this is hobby stuff. Don't think about getting in this thing because you think you're going to get a block reward off of these things. You've got too much competition. The algorithm is too high. But hey, to me, it's akin to $100 lottery ticket. You know, you can't win if you don't play. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Let you digest that for a second.